Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avanti and in this video we are going to see 10 easy English sentences that you can use in your day-to-day life so that you will be familiar to the language. And if you are interested in such knowledge related video, then please do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the very first sentence is you are absolutely fantastic. This sentence can be used very often as we all like to get praised. इसका हिंदी में मतलब है आप बहुत अच्छे हैं या आप बहुत शानदार हैं. You can use this sentence like you are absolutely fantastic. I like you very much. So the second sentence is good to see you. When you meet someone dear to you, you can say good to see you. इसका हिंदी में मीनिंग है आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. So when you meet someone, it's always nice to say good to see you. So the third sentence is keep up the good work. Keep up the good work का हिंदी में मीनिंग है अच्छा काम करते रहो. If you want to say to someone that continue working like this or continue doing good work, then you can say hey, keep up the good work. So the fourth sentence is as you wish. This sentence can be used very often. We can say to the next person that they can do whatever they want, then we can use this sentence. In Hindi we say जैसी आपकी मर्जी. For example, of course as you wish my dear. Fifth sentence is that's what I was thinking. If you want to say मैं भी यही सोच रहा था या मैं भी यही सोच रही थी, then you can use that's what I was thinking, or you can also use I was thinking the same. So the sixth sentence is I beg your pardon. I am sorry को आप I beg your pardon भी कह सकते हैं. मतलब मुझे माफ करिए. For example, I beg your pardon, I am late. So the seventh sentence is I think or in my opinion. When in Hindi we say मुझे लगता है, that means we say that I think or in my opinion. For example, you can say I think you can do that or in my opinion you can do that. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. So the eighth sentence is I am sick of or I am tired of. When you want to say that I am sick of everything, that I cannot do this anymore, then you have to use this phrase. When in Hindi we say that मैं सबसे तंग आ चुकी हूँ या मैं थक चुकी हूँ, then you can use this phrase. For example, I am sick of doing this every day. The ninth sentence is I messed up. When you haven't done something properly, then you can use this sentence. In Hindi we can say मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी. For example, you can say I'm sorry, I messed up everything. The last sentence is I can't thank you enough. You can use this sentence when you want to say thank you very much. In Hindi we can say मैं आपका पर्याप्त शुक्रिया नहीं कर सकती. For example, I can say that I can't thank you enough for subscribing to my channel, or I can't thank you enough for watching this video till the very end. So this is it for this video guys. Hope you understood and you will start using these phrases in your day-to-day life. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.